Oh, g'day, champions. We're going to get back to regular schedule programming. Not that I've ever had schedule, but back to regular programming as of tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Doing a live assessment stream that you've come to know and love over the years. Welcome to all our new subscribers, by the way. We finally hit 10,000 subs. Took a bit longer than expected, but had to have the party when everyone was able to be present. But yeah, if you haven't watched it, go back and watch that. It's the last live stream I did. What have we got? We've got a Hitachi turntable. We might put that one off. I think we might have to order parts for that. We've got a new Fender Blues Junior in for a service. We've got a JCM 800 2203 head. Oh, we've got a PV 160 Max bass amp. We've got a 1965 Fender Vibrolux. Not a reissue, an actual real deal. That's probably in for a restoration recap and whatnot, you know the deal. Fender Performer 1000, which is one of their solid state churches with probably the solid state usual issues. We've got a Sidekick 35 reverb. We've got a JCM 900 head from our man at Head First Amplification, Jason Tong. That's a very old job that he did a long time ago, so I hope it's not too embarrassing for you, Jace, but we'll take the piss out of you regardless. You know that. We love you. Roland JB50, I might have to do that on the bigger bench over there. We've got some room because that's a keyboard. We've got a David Eden WT405 amp with the preamp reportedly not passing signal, so no output on the effects loop. Send. We've got a Mesa Mark II C Plus that I've got to get stuck into. That's a big job, so we might do a video series on that one. We've got a Shinai fuzz wah pedal, an Apollo HA9P wah and siren pedal. That'll be weird. An Electro Harmonix Electric Mistress with a stiff knob. You know, some people pay good money for one of them, but anyway. We've got a Rehouse Bassman in a combo cabinet. That's a vintage Bassman in a combo cabinet. A Mesa 550 Express. We've got a Mesa Studio 22 combo. This is all just stuff I've got to assess. So we'll do our usual thing. We'll have a look at each amp, see if we can figure out reasonably quickly what's going on, and shoot a dart at the dartboard of pricing to generate a quote. So, sorry I've been a little bit behind with the old video content. I have been flat out with those Marshall boards and a bunch of other stuff and traveling around the place for family events and whatever. Sphincter dragging on the ground behind me. Flat out because I worked my ass out. So, no excuse though. I've got to welcome the new viewers with some good content. We're going to start doing some members only stuff, members only early releases, all that jazz. But you know, see you in the morning if you're able to join us. Grab a coffee, probably not a whiskey unless it's that area of the time zones and whatnot, or you're a raging alcoholic. Either way, whatever works for you. See you in the morning, champions.